guys, Jordan from Jordan's Easy Entertaining here, and I just wanted to do a quick video because Cricut just announced a new product this past weekend and they sent it to me. It is this EasyPress Mini. I'm so excited for this new EasyPress because I do a lot of small projects, and this is supposed to be for those small or awkward projects, maybe projects that aren't flat. And so that's what this was developed for. So I thought that I would do a quick unboxing of the new EasyPress Mini. This isn't even available for purchase yet. It's going to be available on September 6th on the Cricut website and other craft e-commerce stores. So this is the box. I have not opened it yet, so I'll be seeing it in person for the first time with you. So on the top you can see here are a couple of project ideas. So shoes, not flat, so this is going to be perfect for that, and personalizing stuffed animals, which is one of the projects I'm planning on making with this. So on the side it says for unusual objects, tight spaces, and hard to reach places. This has effortless heat transfers, 3 heat settings for every iron-on and infusible ink project. That's pretty exciting because infusible ink is still a pretty new Cricut product as well. And then it says personalize the unexpected, customize unique items like hats, shoes, or even stuffed animals, which is what I'm planning on doing. And then thoughtful compact design, easily press between buttons and seams with precision tips. That's great for all you sewers out there. Really get into those hard to reach seams and in the corners of your fabric. And then this says works with most heat transfer vinyl brands and all infusible ink projects. And for precise project settings, go to cricut.com/heat guide. And then on the back, it's shows the EasyPress Mini right here. It's got a comfortable handle, auto off feature, 3 heat settings, dry even heat just like it is with the other EasyPresses, precision tip, and a safety base, so you don't have to worry about this being too hot to put on your surfaces when you are making your projects. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look. It's got some tape on the side. And on this side. Woohoo! Oh, that is so cute. Look at how tiny it is. Let me go ahead and take this out. See, look, for reference, I've got kind of large hands, but still it could fit in the palm of my hand. And that is tiny. You know what, I feel like this would be great for, you could probably fit this inside of a shoe, not only doing the flip-flops, but you imagine like if your little kid is on a sports team and they all have like the same size shoe, you could personalize the inside of the shoe like this. This would fit inside. I'm looking forward to being able to work around curved spaces like on the hats and stuffed toys like I mentioned. And this looks like it would be a great size for personalizing ribbon, which is also something that I like to do when I'm decorating for parties and for the holidays around my home. I'm really excited about this. And then inside, this is the packaging, and then you've also got the Let's Get Started guide. So it talks about the power and heat settings. So I guess when the light is orange, it's still warming up, and then once it reaches green, that's the temperature that you've set it for. It's ready to go. And then inside there are more safety instructions. And here is the safety base plate, so it's right in there. Oh, it's so adorable. I can't wait to get crafting with this. Like I said, I'm planning on making stuffed animals, but now that I actually see it, my little boy just started transitional kindergarten, so there's lots of little miniature things. I'm going to be personalizing the shoes, like I said, for him, and probably some dinosaur lunch bags and things like that. So once again, I'd like to say thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this unboxing video. I can't wait to see what you do with your new EasyPress Mini once you get it. Again, it's available for purchase on September 6th on both the Cricut website and on other crafting e-commerce stores. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!